Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some basic shapes of quilling. Let's start. First we will be making the tight coil. We will need a needle. Place the needle like I've shown and start spinning the needle. Remove it, and before we secure it, we have to make it extremely tight because it is a tight coil. So gently pull it and secure it once it is tight. A tight coil is ready. Now let's start with the loose coil. Again, we will be needing a quilling strip. Follow the same process as we did in the tight coil.
We now have a coil ready. Gently leave it so it will become loose. Secure it, and our loose coil is also ready. Let's move on to the drop. Keep it a little loose. Like this. Let's secure it. Now, to make it, we will use our thumb and our pointer finger and press at the top of the coil to make a drop-like shape. Let's move on to the curved drop. Keep a loose coil ready. We will follow the same instructions for the drop. But while doing it, we will gently curve it. Like this. And our curved drop is also ready.
Now I'll show you how to do the leaf. Keep a loose coil ready and pinch it from both the sides. Now this will resemble a leaf. Now let's make the curved leaf. Make a loose coil and first shape it into a leaf. Now curve it from both the sides in opposite directions, like how I am doing. This is a curved leaf. Now let's make the square. Make a loose coil and give equal pressure from all four sides, like this, to make it a square. Let's move on to the rectangle. Keep a very loose coil ready, and you'll be following the same process as the square, except you have to give a little bit more pressure to two sides than the other two. This is how your rectangle should be. Let's move on to the triangle. Here I have a loose coil, and first we will make it a drop shape. And at the same time press the bottom of it. So it has become a triangle. Let's make the crescent. Keep a leaf shape ready, and all you need to do is curve both the sides in the same direction. It will represent a crescent. Let's move on to the semicircle. Here I have a loose coil, and we just need to gently apply pressure to the bottom of the coil. If you want, you can pinch the edges of the semicircle. It is now ready. Let's make the kite. I have a loose coil, and first we need to make a drop shape like this. Now pinch the other side as well. Pinch the sides, and our kite shape is also ready. Let's move on to the heart. I have a loose coil, and first we have to pinch the coil to make a drop shape. Now use your needle to create a depression in the middle. It will look something like this. You can deepen the depression and also curve the edges. Now let's do the diya. Take a loose coil and again first create a drop. If you like, it can also be a curved drop. Now pinch the sides and curve them. Now let's do the crimped coil. We will need a quilling strip and a crimper or a crimping machine. Place the strip inside like this and start crimping. I like to do it twice for better design. See the design? Quill it carefully or else it will get straightened out and the design will not look good. Our crimped coil is also ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.